Hello everyone and welcome. It's been a while. I really wanted these past 2 weeks as the last video was not necessarily made, but definitely no. Since it was made, it's been 2 weeks to the day because last I left you guys, we prepped the house for insulation. So that's great and all, and I plan to make like daily progress videos. That went out the window the second I saw my bed after helping the guys out and dealing with work stuff and so on and so forth. So it's been 2 weeks, but the guys are finished, and let's go ahead and show you what has been done. So yeah, the house looks like this. No more exposed brick. It's good to go, move-in ready, so to speak. But it's only on the outside. Nothing has been done on the inside, but it looks absolutely amazing. Let's go all the way on the road so you can see it over the fence and everything. So yeah, that's like the side and everything. And look at that beauty. And on all the way other back side, all around the last few trees, and look at that beautiful white back. I'll also take you right now upstairs and show you the terrace, which is also getting a tiny bit of facelift. No, the railings don't go that high normally, but those pieces were too big to be moved inside or too big to be put down because due to the fact that when rain falls on the terrace, it tended to stay up there. We had to not let the rain, like infiltrate in between the isolation and the brick walls. So we kind of pushed our budgets by quite a lot. And we also added a self-leveling sort of, but now it has a slight slope cement on this side of the terrace. Yes, it doesn't look that great right now, but it is going to eventually be plaqued with floor tiles. All right, one more final update over the past 2 weeks because it has been done, and now I can enter the basement, even though it's still a little bit wet and all. But yes, this is like everything that is left. It's another story. It's a bit wet still, but the walls are truly isolated. After sorry for the echo. So after the guys finished, we had about 2 days of fine weather, and then a flood came in, a downpour, a very large amount of rain, and it literally filled the topsoil to its limit, and I got water seepage in between my window frames and the cement, which is not covered by the guys who did the hydro isolation. So I'm hoping that in a few months, when I finally have the funds necessary to go with the cement border around the house on the outside and everything, once I get that and the windows sorted out, that should be perfectly fine for the basement to completely be really dry. We'll pull out all the water from it, make a permanent just in case fixture for the evacuation pipe from the basement, and be done with it. All right, let's flip the camera one more time and look at my lovely white wall, all ready and good to go to be live-in ready. All right, that's it for now. You know my future plans. I'm also gonna keep working on the inside whenever I have the time, but holidays are coming up here. It's Easter, and we're gonna celebrate and take a little break because we are exhausted from all this. Not necessarily the work, but the stress of getting the money, spending the money. We basically are once again like flatline, zero budget for the moment. All right, that's it. Thank you very much for checking out the video. I don't know how long it's gonna be, but thank you for sticking to the end, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye, toodles. See you soon. See you soon. Bye. Oh, and more Firefly content soon, and more Warhammer content soon. 11th edition is coming up. Get ready for that. Bye. See you in the next one.